Rajinikanth asked fans not to urge him to join politics. News in detail. A day after thousands of fans and followers organized a protest in Chennai's Valluvakottam demanding that Rajinikanth enter politics, the superstar has requested his fans to not organize any more protests and asked him to reconsider his decision. In a statement issued on Monday, Rajinikanth expressed his appreciation for having conducted the protest in a peaceful manner. My heartfelt thanks to those who did not participate in the protest in line with the leadership request. I have already elaborated on the reasons as to why I am not entering politics now. I have announced my decision. I humbly request you all to not conduct such events and force me to enter politics and cause me pain, Rajinikanth said. He also mentioned that the fact that several of his followers had participated in the protest against the leadership's order pained him. His remark comes a day after hundreds of fans gathered at Valluvakottam demanding him to consider his decision to not launch a political party and contest the 2021 Assembly elections. The supporters gathered at this spot as early as 7 a.m. despite the Rajini Makkal mantram asking his supporters not to stage any kinds of demonstrations. In fact, several RMM office bearers from across the state were present at the venue. In December, Rajinikanth, who was all set to launch his political party after years of speculation, backed out, citing his health. My hospitalization was a warning given by God. My campaign will impact health amid the pandemic, he said. He said days after he was hospitalized for blood sugar fluctuations during a shoot in Hyderabad. Rajinikanth had on December 29 announced that he will not be joining politics 3 years after he had announced that he will be making his political entry. The superstar was to officially announce the date of the launch of his political party on December 31, 2020 and was to announce the name of his political party in January 2021, months ahead of the assembly elections to be held in Tamil Nadu. It is now or never, he had said on December 3rd after meeting with his closest advisors. In fact, early in December, he announced Ra Arjunamurthy and Thamizhari Maniyan as the supervisors to his to-be-launched political party and had issued a clarion call to change everything. However, on December 29th, 2 days after his discharge from the hospital, Rajinikanth announced that he will not be starting a political party and will continue to serve people from the sidelines. He pointed out that his health is not good enough to go to the ground for election campaigning to ensure a victory in the assembly polls. He put out a statement saying, "With extreme sadness, I say that I can't enter politics. I alone know the pain I went through while announcing this decision. Without entering electoral politics, I will serve the people. This decision of mine will disappoint my fans and people, but please forgive me." News Desk, Karma News.